This is a reminder for you that on Sunday, the 30th of June, there are no services at Excel Church, and that's because we're going to be here at Hickman Park, and it's going to be Hope in the Park. So we want all of you to join us. It's going to be happening at 12 on that Sunday here at Hickman Park, but doors open, well, there's no doors here, but gates open from 11. So you can come for inflatables, for stands, for face painting, for worship, for school performances. There's going to be so much, and it's an amazing opportunity to reach our whole community with the hope of God. So why don't you come along and listen, if you're free and you're able to volunteer to help with anything, please speak to Dan or Cheryl at the office and make yourself known, because we'd love to have some more help. So remember, there's no services here at church because we're going to be over here on the 30th of June. So we'll see you there for Hope in the Park. Are you new to Excel Church? Have you joined us within the last 6 months? Well, we'd love to invite you to our welcome coffee night happening at Costa Coffee at the Keyway Junction in Willenhall. It's happening on Thursday, the 18th of July at 6 till 7. So you can sign up online, chat to one of our team, or have a look on our website and join us there to get to know a bit more about the team and the vision of our church and how you can be a part of it all. Kids, listen up, because this one is for you. I've got a summer club announcement, and I can tell you exclusively the theme is We Are the Champions, just like the Olympics. So have you got what it takes like me? Well, why don't you come along to the club and find out? So if you're 5 to 11 years old, then why don't you come along on July the 30th to the 2nd of August for some games, for some fun, and for other things as well, which you'll find out if you come along. Now, it's £5 per family, so make sure you let your parents know to book you in ahead of the time. And if you are willing to volunteer, this is for adults out there, then do speak to Dan or Cheryl to let them know, as we would love volunteers. So guys, make sure you come along for the Summer Club this year. Men, this one is for you lot. So your next Courageous Men's event is happening on Saturday the 13th of July, and you're going to be doing a walk at Sandwell Valley Park. So you're meeting at Forge Mill Car Park, and you can bring your kids along if you want as well, and it's going to be a really nice time for you all to get together, chat together, do what you men do, and have a nice walk together. So sign up online if you'd like to join for that event.
Daylight is come.
Ladies, this one's for you. Devoted Conference is happening yet again in October on the 5th. So it's the first Saturday of that month. So mark it in your calendars and save that date. And I can tell you that the theme is going to be delivered. So it's going to be an amazing time getting together, ladies. But listen, here's the big news. Tickets are now on sale, which means that you can get the early bird ticket for a whopping only £20. So if you book in before the end of July, then you can get it for cheaper as an early bird. But after that, the tickets will be £22.50. And don't forget to invite your friends, bring someone along who hasn't been before, because who knows what God will do in their life as well as yours. So guys, that is for Devoted Conference, and we can't wait to see you there. Just a note that this Wednesday, there is no Wednesday evening meeting, so don't come along unless you're a part of the AOG area event, then you can come along, of course. So this week, there's no event happening on Wednesday evening. That's all for Excel News, guys, so have a wonderful week.